What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to look at Never Fade Away from Cyberpunk 2077, and this is basically the samurai version. I got this as a request and thanks for that. It's actually a nice one, and I definitely got that normal Never Fade Away song. You can just go ahead and check out my channel playlist for the Cyberpunk 2077. I just got a playlist for that because I covered 7-8 songs from this game, and still if I've missed any song you can just drop a comment down below. I'm gonna make a guitar tutorial on the song. Now let's have a look at this song, guys. How it's actually going, played by the samurai. So if you hear it, there's a lot of distortion, electric guitar going on, and we are actually in a drop D tuning. I see for most of the songs of Cyberpunk 2077, which is actually going electric guitar, we're doing a drop D tuning, which is nothing but you only get the top E string, the low E, tuned to a D. So you just tune it a little bit, not 360, maybe 300 degree, and you actually get a drop D tuning. You can just download an app called DA Tuner, and you can just set up chromatic tuning, and you can easily do that. And if you have a tuner, well and good. So this is tuning at D, so it's a D. So C, D, E, so a low D, so there's no chance of any breakage of strings. So D, A, D, G, B, high E. So for this song, I'm gonna say it as a top E string for my convenience to avoid any mistake and confusion. So there's a lot of things going on. So if you hear there's something going on like this, I'm gonna break down every part to you guys. So let's talk about the intro of the song. So we are in a drop D tuning. We start playing like this. So we have our index finger bar on the second fret of the E and the A string, and we do 2 downstroke. We do 3 downstroke on that chord, which is 2-2 on the E and A. So simple downstroke, down, 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 and then I play the top E and the A string open. Then I again play second fret on the E and A. So good. And then I play third fret on the A string only. Again I play the E string open and the A string open. And then I play second fret on the E and A string again. So it's everything is done with the index finger. So everything is done with the index finger. So you just need a little bit of practice. It's quite easy. So I'm going. Then you come to the song and you have this thing going on. Sorry. So basically, instead of playing the chord, you now just do palm muting. Palm muting is nothing but having the spark of your hand rest in front of the bridge of the guitar. Now for the whole song, I'm gonna move very fast. The request which I got was mainly focusing, like he actually asked me to mainly focus on the chorus. So I'm gonna break down the chorus for you guys, but this verse and all, these are all distort palm muted stuff. So I'm just gonna go a little bit faster over here. So we're just gonna pick some notes like second fret on the E string, then third fret on the E string, open E string, so 2, 2, 2, open 2, 3, 2, open 2. So we got 2, 2, 2, open 2, 3, open 2, open 2, 2, 2, open 2. Again you repeat that this much, and then you play second fret on the D, 5 on the A, then you play 3 on the E, then you play 3 on the D, 3 on the A, open A, open E. So you got. Sorry. So this is what actually going on for the intro verse stuff of the song, and you're really gonna hit this thing. So sometimes we hear the D5 power chord, which is 5 on the A, 7, 7 on the D and G. So we play this note, second on the E, open on the E, second on the E. and then we do two muted downstroke, down up, and then I play the D5 power chord, 2 downstroke, 5 7 7 on the A and D G. One, two, three, four. So this is actually going. I just told you everything part by part. I know I'm not arranged right now because I told you before. I just want to mainly focus on the chorus. So this is actually going for the whole song. For that intro I showed you, and for that verse we just kind of follow the intro, but we just pick some individual string like the top E string, which is tuned to a D. And we also have this thing. Alright, now let's come to the chorus, the part which we are waiting for. So we start with a C5 power chord, 3 on the A, 5 on the D and G. And what we do is we do down, down, then we do a down, up, down. So we go down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. And then I go to a B chord, which is just up 1 fret. So bring the shape, half step up, so it's 2 on the A, 4 on the D and G. When you're playing a power chord, keep that in mind that you got to mute the other strings. And now we're just gonna do up, up, down, up, down. So you got down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down. So you got up, down, up, down. So on the B5, up, down, up, down. So you got nice and easy, right? And now to bring the C5, B5 and all, now we're just gonna play second fret on the E and A string thrice. 1, 2, 3. Again, then we're gonna play the 2 2 on the E and A, and then we're gonna play 3 3 on the E and A. So you got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So it's just a little bit changing the rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And then I come to 5th fret on the E and A, 2 downstroke, down, down. Then I play 3 3 on the E and A, 2 downstroke, and then I play open E and A, 2 downstroke. So you got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3. So from the beginning. And then we hit, we now in a D major chord, mute, it's actually open, 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 second, third, second. We strum the E, A, D string, down, down. So since we are in a drop D tuning, so we can actually hit the full D major chord. So we play the D, the E, A, D string, open, open. And then I strum the D major chord. And then again I play the E, A, D twice. So you got. And then I go back to the C5 chord and repeat down, 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 up, down. And I come to the B5, up, down, up, down. And that's basically the chorus. You just go on and on and on, and you're actually done. So it's very easy, and let me play that one more time very slowly. C5. So C5, B5. One more time. After that, again we have the verse and all where we just play. Some palm meter stuff goes on, which I showed you before. A second on the E, open E, third fret on the E. 2 2 2, open 2 3 2. 2 2 2, open 2 3, open 2 that actually goes on power meter for the whole song, and then sometimes I play the D5 power chord, which I do here in the song, but my main target was to show you the chorus, and I'm actually done. So that's basically everything for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. I know I rushed a little bit. I don't know, but I'm not getting time to record video right now lately, because but still I have a target that I have to get this much views, so I'm always for that, and I have to just cut off my sleep. So it's my time to sleep. I'm cutting my sleep by 2 hours. So as you can see, I'm actually teasing right now. I don't have that energy to teach, but still, thanks for watching, guys. I know this was not that good if you compare to my other videos, but still, if you have any doubt regarding any other part of the song, you can just ask me. I will remake the video. I hope you don't have any doubt about the chorus part which I showed you, because that one was crystal clear, but the verse, I know I went a little bit fast, and I just showed you some notes which you can apply. But still, I think it goes in electric guitar, and therefore you don't need to have a headache about the acoustic guitar, how you gonna play it. You can just play two on the E thrice, open E, second open, second on the E, open E, second on the E, third, fifth, and you're just gonna change the note, and we have this small riff and all. So that's basically everything for today's video, guys. Subscribe. See you guys back in the next video. Bye.